Hi, I'm Ed Ricci, and I'm a partner here at Searcy Denney Scarola Barnhart Shipley. I am the son of a trial lawyer and also the son of a trial judge. So a lot of people joke that it was destiny for me to end up doing this for a living. As a trial attorney, we'd like to think that we can win every case. We fight our darndest to win every case, but unfortunately it doesn't always work out that way. And I remember growing up, my father tried some type of gas tank failure case out in California. He was gone for 6 months, where we would talk to him on the phone, but didn't get to see him. We missed him, and we were all hopeful that he was going to be successful in the case, and he lost. And I remember when he came back, and it resulted in some pretty significant lifestyle changes for the family, because he had a lot of his own time and money invested in the case, and it was pretty scary for a little while there. But I was able to watch my dad come back to Florida, get back on his feet, move forward, and recover from the loss, and ended up having a very successfsul career, and it was a great inspiration for all of us. My mother also had some time in the spotlight when she was practicing as a judge and presiding as a judge here in Palm Beach County, and I still remember when we found out that she had, on random assignment, been chosen to preside over the William Kennedy Smith rape case, which was a very, very famous case here locally. Senator Ted Kennedy actually flew in to testify live at the trial. There was a tremendous amount of press attention. It was televised on TV, and I remember riding to school and riding home from school, and we'd be listening to WJNO, and they had it broadcast over the radio, and every time my mother would fill up a glass of water, she drank a tremendous amount of water, they would have this sound effect of water going into the glass, filling up. They made fun of her on Saturday Night Live for her stern courtroom demeanor. And I thought to myself, well, if you think that's bad, you need to try living with her. No, I'm just kidding. Kidding. Love you, Mom. And true story, my mother was into tap dancing and was taking tap dancing lessons for a while there, and the National Enquirer tried to bribe my sister, who was in college. They offered her, I think, $10,000 to funnel them pictures of my mother tap dancing, and she fortunately didn't do that. This job is not a 9-to-5 job. It's a 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week job. That's not to say that I don't sleep, but oftentimes I find myself even dreaming about this job. It does place a big burden on my wife and kids, although they are very supportive and they know that I love what I do, and so they're willing to make the sacrifice. One thing that does frustrate my family is that I am happiest when I am in trial. And as strange as that may sound, there's nothing, for me, there's nothing more gratifying than the fight of trial. We're up early, we stay up late. I mean, it's all, all men on deck, all persons on deck. And I love trying cases, and I love fighting for my clients. And I will say that, if there's one thing that my family would probably wish that I wouldn't do as often as I do, is go to trial. At the end of the day, whether it's a settlement or a verdict, our job is to get justice for our clients.